up, my beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. It's Lizzie Atkins here as always, and I'm back with another bang. Today I will be doing a Gele tutorial. So let's go, guys. So obviously you get your Gele this style. Let's move back a bit. This style you definitely split it to 50-50. Here we go. Oh, and then I'm dividing it, just splitting it where the sewing crosses meets, right? And I am putting it from behind. So from here. Okay. 50. Meet up and tie your knots. Okay. Right. And then you get one of it, and you fold over each other like so.
Louisa.
All the way. You do the same thing. Then you just keep securing it with the pin. Here, you can grab another pin and secure it over here. So,
the reason.
Yep, here's the style. 360. Anyways guys, this is the end of today's video. Do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you can always get notification when I Lizzie Atkins upload new videos. For now, remain blessed and rock your Gele. Now, remain blessed and I'll see you in my next video.
Let us do this again. Yes, we are back again. I am a star. They won't kill my shine. I wanna know